Hello and welcome to another episode of NewsX podcast. And right now we are joined by Gitika Mittal Gupta, who's the MD and founder of ISAC Lux Derma and Cosmetology, and she's also a Shakti Awardee for the We Women Want 2026 conclave for Derma and Cosmetology. Welcome, ma'am. Absolute pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Shivani.
Yes,
Thanks a lot.
and congratulations on the award. I want to obviously start off this discussion with beauty and skincare. They've become a really major part of women's, lifestyle. And I want to understand, where do you draw the line between self-care that is right for you and self-care that can be a bit unrealistic?
There was a time when women, especially, were taught that being selfish is bad. Selfish is also synonym with self care. So, when you're doing self care, you're actually putting your jug full. And as you know, we always say if your jug isn't full, you cannot pour from an empty jug. So, self care keeps you healthy, happy, confident. And you should draw a line where it becomes an obsession, where you're trying to replicate and be someone else. Enjoy your own gift of health, your own body, and make the best version possible and enjoy what you see in the mirror.
Absolutely. And ma'am, your journey itself has been very inspiring. You manage around 18 clinics
Yes,
or so
yes,
across India.
yes.
How do you do that? How do you balance everything and then look so beautiful?
Thank you. I think we all have a purpose, and once you identify the purpose, it becomes very, very easy. And purpose, when it comes together with passion, it gives you the energy to do it and fulfill it every day. And I think with the women genome, there is nothing called as balance. Indra Nooyi once said that the female genetics, female hormones, biological clock, they're so much not in sync with each other. The moment you're married, you're also looking at your career. So every day you have to choose what needs your priority. So small baby steps and work with passion and work with joy. That's all.
Absolutely. And ma'am, let's also talk about technology, because that is the in thing right now. So I want to understand, how is technology actually changing the future of dermatology or cosmetology?
Yes. So in my department where we are, Isaac Lux Clinics, which is available all over India, we are the pioneer in US FDA approved technologies, be it for the laser hair reduction, body contouring, face anti-aging, or the hair. The idea behind wellness or longevity is also technology. So we are heavily technology dependent. But as your iPhone changes every year, new versions come out. So it's very important to be at par. And why not to use technology for your benefit? So I always encourage my patients, read about it, because at Isaac definitely have made sure that we have the best technology available.
And then what's one misconception about skincare that you want women to stop believing in?
Well, I'll tell all the women that stop this FOMO of skincare. You see something on social media and you start doing everything. Not everything you see is meant for you. Meet your doctor, curate it as per your skin, your body, and your demand, and that's the right approach.
So don't follow trends.
No
believe in
trends,
yours.
no FOMO.
And before we wrap this up, ma'am, I want to ask you in a rapid fire, what according to you is what is the meaning of beautiful? What is the meaning of a woman? And what's one advice that you would like to give to everyone watching this
See,
show?
I would say this is the age of women empowerment, and how women can support each other is beyond comparison. A woman giving a compliment to another woman is the most beautiful compliment. I think that women dress up actually for women to see them around. So when you look in the mirror, first of all, compliment yourself, and that's where the journey starts.
All right. Absolute honor and a pleasure to have you here, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable
Thank you,
perspective.
Shivani. You're lovely yourself. Thank you.